Candela P12 taking off, 100% electric hydrofoiling passenger vessel. Stockholm, a city built on islands, has long overlooked its greatest asset, its waterways. Once the lifeblood of transport, these routes are now barely utilized. Why? The aging diesel ferry fleet is inefficient, costly, and some of the most polluting vehicles in the city. Shockingly, despite carrying only a fraction of commuters, these vessels burn more fossil fuels than all other public transport in Stockholm combined. Enter the Candela P12, the world's first electric hydrofoiling ferry. With space for 30 passengers, it's revolutionizing urban water transit. At around 12 knots, the P12 gracefully lifts above the water, and by 16 knots, it's fully airborne. This hydrofoiling design cuts energy consumption by a staggering 80% while creating zero wake, protecting Stockholm's delicate shorelines. The P12 even qualifies for speed exemptions, slashing commute times dramatically. Candela has spent 4 years perfecting this groundbreaking technology, and now the moment has arrived. Stockholm's first commercial electric ferry route is ready to welcome passengers. It's not just a boat, it's a vision of the future. Faster, cleaner, and quieter, the P12 is set to transform urban transport and breathe life back into the waterways. Candela P12 taking off, 100% electric hydrofoiling passenger vessel. Ever wondered what it feels like to ride a magic carpet on water? That's the experience on board the Candela P12, the world's first 100% electric hydrofoiling passenger vessel. As the boat hits 18 knots, something incredible happens. It takes off, gliding effortlessly above the surface. The surreal sensation of flying at 26 knots without realizing your speed, unforgettable. Candela's vision for the P12 is groundbreaking, a public transport system on water that's as easy and efficient as land-based options, but entirely fossil fuel-free. Imagine hopping on and off sleek, frequent ferries that connect your city's waterways seamlessly. By riding on hydrofoils, the P12 cuts through water without displacing it, reducing wake, minimizing friction, and massively increasing energy efficiency. Weighing 12 tons, it feels like it should move mountains of water. But the foil technology ensures a stable, wave-free ride with extended range, thanks to a reasonably sized battery. Plus, it's not just smooth sailing, it's a revolution. Ferries are some of the most polluting vehicles today, but the P12 changes the game, turning waterways into eco-friendly highways. Could this be the future of urban transport? One thing's certain, the Candela P12 is redefining how we move across water. Stay tuned for what's next. Welcome aboard the Mackay M37 Power Catamaran. Hi, I'm Shane Grover, co-founder of Mackay Yachts. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the all-new M37, a power catamaran crafted for couples and families seeking unforgettable adventures on the water. Designed to do more than just weekend cruising, the M37 offers comfort, innovation, and luxury in equal measure. Unmatched accommodation. The M37 features 2 spacious double cabins, each equipped with ensuite heads for ultimate privacy. Starboard cabin. The family retreat. A large double bed and an additional single bed make this ideal for a couple with a child or even 3 children. Comfortable latex mattresses with 5-inch foam provide restful nights. Ample storage beneath the beds keeps your space organized. Master cabin. A relaxing haven. Equipped with a queen-size double bed featuring premium latex cushioning. easy access to air conditioning controls, and abundant storage options, both inboard and outboard. Luxury ensuites. Both cabins include beautifully designed ensuite heads, featuring Corian floors for a sleek modern look, electric freshwater flush toilets, a separate shower stall, large basin, and backlit mirror for added elegance. Command Center, the helm station. The helm is designed with convenience and functionality at its core. Dual MFDs for displaying charts and engine data. Zip-wake interceptor controls, Yanmar instrumentation, and a joystick ensure precise navigation. All controls, including stereo, engine management, and wheel, are easily accessible whether standing or sitting. Outdoor living and dining spaces, sunbed and swim deck. A spacious sunbed comfortably accommodates 3 to 4 people for lounging or watching the kids enjoy the water. A transom shower is conveniently located for rinsing off after a swim. Large storage lockers with gas struts hold water toys and other essentials. Transformable cockpit. Rear-facing seating that easily converts into a dining area for up to 10 people. Built-in storage includes compartments for fenders and a 50-liter fridge. Optional features like a barbecue, wash basin, and additional storage add to the versatility. Innovative bow access. A central door allows seamless passage from the cockpit to the bow. The Kevlar-reinforced hull keel enables beaching, making shore access effortless. Simply open the gate, fold down the bow ladder, and step ashore with dry feet. Designed for exploration. With its innovative design, spacious 19 mm² cockpit, and thoughtful features, the Mackay M37 is more than a boat. It's your gateway to elevated marine adventures. Whether you're cruising, relaxing, or exploring new shores, the M37 combines luxury, practicality, and innovation to deliver an unforgettable experience. Welcome aboard. Introducing the Stabacraft 250 SC, versatility meets adventure. Welcome to Riverton, where we're showcasing the brand new Stabacraft 250 SC, a vessel that redefines functionality and performance for avid boaters and anglers alike. After the success of the 250 Ultra Cab road trip around New Zealand's North Island, many of you asked, what would a Super Cab look like? Well, here it is, the first 250 SC off the production line. Originally intended as a demo, it sold almost immediately and is now heading to Tasmania. Built for the modern boater. The new owner, a seasoned Stabacraft enthusiast with 5 or 6 models under his belt, chose the 250 SC for its practicality and ease of use. Tired of dealing with waves, trailers, and tractors, he embraced the wheel system, allowing for seamless beach launches. Key features at a glance. Power meets performance. Equipped with a Mercury 300 outboard, this boat boasts exceptional power and speed for those who love to go fast. Innovative ladder system. Dual ladders provide easy access, whether the wheels are up or down. Just remember to lift the wheel ladder before the wheels go up. Lesson learned. Lone Star Winch. The 250 SC debuts its first Lone Star Winch, a feature that's already impressing with its efficiency and reliability. Durable design. The unpainted exterior ensures the boat can handle rough fishing conditions without worrying about cosmetic damage. Perfect for hauling in big catches like bluefin tuna. Features tailored for fishing enthusiasts. Roof-mounted lights for night squid fishing or simply navigating in low-light conditions. A Garmin navigation system ensures you'll never get lost. Twin wheel system enhances weight distribution on soft sand, but a single wheel option is available for lighter use. A twin-door bait station and customizable cabin options like galleys, sinks, and fridges make this a fisherman's dream. Designed for comfort. The 250 SC includes Scandinavian soft rider seats for a smoother ride, clears for rear walls, shielding the cabin from the elements. And while the owner opted out of a stereo, claiming it distracts from fishing, the focus remains the all-new 2024 Sea-Doo Switch Cruise Limited. Hey, Sea-Doo fans, ready to elevate your summer on the water? Meet 2024 Sea-Doo Switch Cruise Limited, a game changer in the world of pontoons, combining luxury, performance, and the unmatched excitement Sea-Doo is known for. This 21-foot beauty comes powered by a 230 horsepower Rotax Ace engine, delivering all the speed and power you need for tow sports or laid-back cruising. With room for your entire crew, it's designed for comfort and adventure. Step aboard and prepare to be impressed. The captain's chair is now a fully adjustable premium seat paired with quick adjust handlebars for effortless control. Upgraded tech includes a 10-quarter-inch color touchscreen display for music, settings, and BRP Go app integration, perfect for navigation, ride planning, and staying connected on the water. Plus, a standard 7-inch Garmin GPS makes fishing and exploring